QuickBooks Pro Plus Desktop 2022 OneNote presentation, employee section, payroll process. Let's get into it with Intuit's QuickBooks Pro Plus Desktop 2022. We are in OneNote. If you have access to OneNote, would like to follow along, you're not required to, but if would like to, we're in the icon left-hand side, topic introduction, 1480, employee section, payroll process. Also note, when using OneNote, take a look at the immersive reader. Topic introductions also in the text area, same name, same number, but with transcripts that can be translated into multiple different languages and either listened to or read in them. Same name and number found in presentations as well. The topic introductions designed to give an introduction to the topic, provide screenshots, links when applicable, and some background to the accounting information. The screenshots can be used to follow along with the presentations if you don't have access to the QuickBooks program when you're watching over them. Closing the icon left-hand side, we're looking at the employee section. In prior presentations, we've been going through the flows of the vendor section, the customer section. Now we're looking at the payroll process or the employees section, noting that you have to have payroll on in order to see this flow in the payroll section. And if we see it in more detail, here's going to be a screenshot that'll zoom in on it where you can follow along with it with the presentation if you so choose, noting that to turn on payroll, it is going to be a supplemental feature. And in the second half of the course, we will turn on the manual payroll, which is a great tool to practice with, but is not something you'll typically want to do when you're actually processing payroll for the company because you have less support from QuickBooks to do so. You can find this preference by going to the Preferences drop down to the bottom of the Edit tab, Payroll and Employees, and turn on the manual payroll. We'll be working with that again second half of the course when we start the new company file.